SeadogSeven crew. All right, today's going to be a little bit different. Something came up in my feed, probably because AI is listening, about a way to get rid of scratches and that on your tank. So I've got a product here. I'm not sponsored by anybody, but I want to try it out because these little hairline scratches and that are irritating the snot out of me. All right, here it is. It is the All Cars Magic Pen. And it is magic because it disappeared for a while before I could find it. So, but these are the scratches. Let's even get my reflection out of there. I don't know if you can see the scratches on the tank right in here. So they're just little hairline scratches. Not sure. Oh, you can see them if my shadow is in there. But yeah, I'll try to get those out. Let's see how it goes. All right, so I've already cleaned off the area using some glass cleaner and a lint-free rag. I got a fresh, clean lint-free rag here that I'm going to use to wipe it off. And take this, has a wedged end to it. Stick that in there. All right, now I need to get it started. Rid-it-dit-dit-dit-do. You can take your clean lint-free rag, wipe off the excess. If it dries on you, add some more, scrape it off with a tip, wipe it off. Okay, I think I'm done messing with this. Let's check it out. All right, you can still see the scratches. They're not as prominent, but everything I saw online said that it will take out these types of scratches, and it didn't. So I'm gonna say that's a bust. Maybe I'm not using it right. I don't know. Followed the instructions, but the scratches are still there. So that's just a quick video on the Car Magic Pen. Don't buy it. At least that's not my recommendation. Get some buffing compound, polish, and an orbital buffer. All right. Stay tuned. Be blessed.
There are S7 protocols. Okay?
around.